Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're going to be looking at the Expert Playing Card Company's Global Titan playing cards. Now these are numbered 64, I don't know if that has any significance, it repeats it again at the top there. I don't know whether it's a part of a set, I'm not entirely sure. I was given these by a friend of mine and give it the same treatment as everyone else. So here we have the tuck case, first quality, Expert Playing Card Company Global Titan playing cards. It's got what looks like a merman. The top half looks a bit like a fawn, like Mr. Tumnus from Lion, the Witch in the Wardrobe. But then you've got these two tails coming off here. The Expert Playing Card Co. New York. And we've got the back design here, which we'll look at further in detail when we get inside. All artwork copyright, Expert Playing Card Company. That's brilliant. Let's get inside. So here we have the Joker here, Expert Playing Card Company New York. And again, a second Joker of the same. Let's get them out of the way. Here we have the Ace of Spades. Now, very nice, I like it. It's got the Global Titan written across there. It's got a giant spade in the middle. The 64 again, which I don't know what the significance of that is, but it's pretty cool. And then you've got a little mermaid and merman to the left and right there. A little bit of butt crack showing. Very cool. Now, the rest of this deck are standard faces. Standard to the Expert Playing Card Company. I'm not sure whether the pink in the royalty is anything different from standard. But the rest are all very, very standard. Looking at the back, I've got this sort of mustard yellow. It's almost gold, I suppose. It doesn't have a metallic edge to it. And it's got very cool sort of intertwined swirls as they build their way around. They sort of create some abstract patterns there. It's just very nice. Now, as I've seen with some of the other decks that I've had from the Expert Playing Card Company, they do handle slightly different to bicycle cards or United States Playing Card decks. They're not by any means horrible to handle, but they do have a weird sort of feel to them. They're almost sharp on one edge and sort of smoother on the other. So I don't know whether it's how the cards are cut, whether these are cut with a press card, like a die that would sit so that obviously the cards will all be laid out on the whole thing. And the press would just cut the cards out of that, leaving one sort of slightly sharper edge than the other. I mean, it functions well as a deck of cards, but again, they don't need to be anything but very, very, very basic to function as a deck of cards. They don't handle as nicely as some of the United States Playing Card Company ones do. I found that with a few of these Expert Playing Card Company decks. They look fantastic. I mean, you can't fault the branding here. You can't fault the deck design. You can't fault the artwork. You can't fault the back design. But, you know, it's very beautiful, a beautiful design with a sort of gold embossing, and it looks very, very cool. And then you get it out and it's just slightly disappointing to feel. But they look very nice. There's just only so much you can do with a standard face. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.